here outside the brassica cage. There's some broccoli plants in here. The cage is a bit Heath Robinson. It's made of hazel sticks and branches, and it's got some butterfly netting over it, but unfortunately the butterflies have got in, so there's a few holes in the leaves. So I'm just going to go inside and see if I can find any caterpillars. I did find a few. It's quite good to go in every few days and just pull them off. They're quite tricky to spot, being green against green, but they're quite often in the midrib, I find, in the leaf, which is the middle centre of the leaf. You just pick them off, and then I tend to put them somewhere, hope the birds will eat them. If you do it every few days, then it's quite often you can just keep on top of it enough. I mean, you're going to have some holes in the leaves, and that doesn't matter, as long as they're not completely decimated. You'll find as well that towards the end of the season there's less butterflies about, there's less eggs hatching. Of course, look out for those as well, which are the yellow eggs, often underneath the leaves, and if you can just sort of rub them off with your fingers. And then you'll find that towards the end of the summer, if you've managed to just keep them growing, they will recover, and you'll get some fresh new leaves that are not attacked. And so hopefully we'll get some broccoli come April, May next year.
If you've enjoyed this video, press the like button, and also give us a comment, let us know what you're doing in the garden at the moment. And if you like our videos generally, it'd be really great if you'd subscribe to our YouTube channel.